Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little different. I will be cutting my hair on camera. I have decided to go really short, like back to a bob. But yeah, so my hair is probably the longest it's been. I think it was maybe just a little, maybe like an inch longer in high school, but this definitely has been like the longest in a while. It's down here. If I straightened it, it'd be down here. A part of me is like, I really don't want to cut it because I love my long hair, but the other part of me is like, cut it, you need a new look, a bob would be cool. So I'm gonna lean towards that side and actually cut it, and I think I'm gonna like it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and brush my hair. Look how long my hair is.
What?
There's a saying that says, when a woman cuts her hair, I don't know. There's like a saying that says like when a woman cuts her hair, she's like going through something. Have you heard of it before? What's the saying? Me wanting to do this short hair is like I'm getting the same feeling as I always get when I have wanted to cut my hair in the past. Like I need to press restart on my life. I'm scared. No. Because I want to be able to do this. I want to do this for myself. Because I've never done this before, ever. Give me some words of encouragement before I do this.
You are not your hair.
I am not my hair. And then?
You should be able to go with your decisions. Don't second guess yourself. Know exactly what you want. Don't lie yourself. Stop yourself. Look at what you want.
You're right. I feel like I want to cry. Well, no going back from here. Doesn't stop. I did it. All right, so I'm gonna wash my hair and we're gonna have Theo cut it even. So this is how it looks when it is styled and straightened. I love it. I think it looks amazing. And I just put a little makeup on. First time I put makeup on in like forever. Just thought I'd do a little glam and do a little photo shoot with my new hair. I love it. Like I think this is probably going to be my look for a while. I don't think I want to go back to long for a bit. I think I want to continuously like keep it short at this length. It's super easy to maintain. It's super easy to style. But yeah, I love it. My husband did an amazing job. So shout out to my husband for coming through with this bob. And I tried to do waves the other day because I'm recording this like 3 days after, maybe a little more, after I cut my hair. So I did get a chance to style it different ways, and I actually really love the waves as well. I used my Body Boost waver, but I did use that for my hair, and I styled it and I parted it to the side. So if you guys are interested in me making a video on how I style this new haircut, let me know in the comments down below. If you can hear in the background, Mr. Softy is here. I don't regret it. I know the video it looked like I was super scared to do it, but I am actually really happy that I cut my hair. And I hope everyone's doing amazing. I know that there's a lot going on in this world, and it's really hard to stay positive and stay hopeful with everything that's going on. But I pray and I send all my love to everyone. We'll get through this. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have